I'm in love with you, baby, I can't let go. No, I plead with you, do not give up on me now. No matter what, I'm here with you, 'cause you are the one I love. No matter what, I will never let you go. So baby, take my hands and all of me, and I will never let you go. Oh, oh, oh. No matter what tradition says, I'm in love with you. No matter what my father says, I'm in love with you. Oh, why can't they say we are meant to be together? For peace to reign, we are meant to be together. If love is a crime, then I will be a victim.
I got you, man. Okay. Where are we?
Come on, let's go. We are home.
This looks like a church.
It's not a church.
Why you bring me to the church?
We are home, let's go.
Why you bring me to the church?
Hold yourself.
I see Reverend Sisters everywhere. I see Reverend Sisters. Look at them. Come on, I got you. Come on. I got you. Come on. Okay. Ha! Offering time.
Hold yourself. Come on.
Offering time. Come on, say blessing time. Offering. I got you, man. Okay. Okay. I was expecting you to say that. Man, blessing time.
Hold yourself. Come on. So hold yourself.
I'm holding myself. You are the one who's not holding yourself. Stop. Hold yourself. Hold yourself. What's happening around here? I can see candles everywhere. Oh, what a lovely place.
Where did you find it?
Oh,
The same building place, right?
I can see candles.
Yes, Father.
What's happening here?
Can you see the fool you call your son? Excuse me.
Who's that?
Chuka.
Is that the chief guard?
Let me take you to your room. Come on. Come on.
Oh, 1 second. Pull me up. Nicely.
Chuka. Come on, let's go.
Okay. Is that the chief guard? What's this one?
Chuka.
Is that the cook?
That's your mother.
Is that the cook? Is that the cook?
Come on, Chuka. Stop.
Is that the cook?
Father, I just greeted you and you didn't say a word.
Does it actually mean you are very stupid? No, does it mean you will never become responsible in this life of yours?
I don't understand.
What?
What did I do?
You don't know what you did?
No.
Hey, Yokachi, hey, please. Don't ever try to stand up for him on this. Don't. Does it mean you're very stupid or something? No, why do you go about denting the image of this family? Why?
Father, what have I done? I mean, why are you sounding like this? Oh, I only went to drink last night. Is that why you're angry? Come on, we all drink. Is that supposed to make you angry or what? Why?
Does it ever occur to you that you are a prince?
Yeah.
No, does it ever occur to you that you are from a royal household? Why do you go about the whole of this kingdom messing yourself up? Why? Why can't you be like your brother? No, had it been your brother that didn't bring you back last night, wouldn't you have continued drinking wherever you were?
Father, please. 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 You can say anything, but do not compare me to my brother. You just said it. I am a prince. Allow me be a prince the way I choose to.
You know what? I am sick and tired of the stupidity of this son of yours. Listen, you are proceeding on vacation and you are leaving immediately. Hey. Don't say anything. I just gave an order that must be obeyed.
Father.
Hey, shut up. Shut up. spend that time to think of what you actually want in your life. Maybe when you are back, we can sit down and have a conversation. Really? No, was it fair on me when he came back in the middle of the night drunk? Has it been fair on me the way he has been behaving in this kingdom? Listen to me. I just gave an order, and that order of mine stands.
But Father...
Hey, Shikereze, please. Shikereze, don't say anything. I don't want anybody to say a word on this. He is going on a vacation, and he is leaving immediately.
Start talking. What do you mean by that?
What do you mean, what do I mean by that?
Can you stand before any sacred object or anything that can take your life and swear that this wasn't your making? Are you serious? Is that your impression about me? Deny it. No, go ahead. Deny it. You are enjoying all this, aren't you? Which part? The part that I had to carry you from the club, barely managed to put you inside the car? Or the part that I had to do it over and over again, as if I'm your bodyguard or your chauffeur? Which part? I never asked you for anything. You were just trying to do yourself off. Enough! Enough of that! Are you such an ingrate? See, you should be thinking of what to do with your life. Do you understand? Oh, now I see that you really need that vacation Father suggested. And what are you trying to say? That you are more intelligent than I am. It's not about intelligence. It's about family integrity. Father believes that you're just into alcohol. And if he gets to know that you're equally into drugs, he will disown you. What are you waiting for? If you have the nerves, the spine to blow that whistle on me, go ahead. Be very careful. My brother who doesn't see me as a brother. It's just my cross I have to carry. It's just a cross.
Mother, you know me too well. You know I can be angry for so long. My father is just overreacting and you know it.
Chuka, what is wrong with you? Why are you trying to destroy something both of us have worked very hard to achieve? Do you sometimes process certain things in your brain before you act them out?
You're beginning to sound like my father. It was just a drink.
I'm beginning to sound like your father. Just a drink, you said. Chuka, you drank yourself to stupor. I have told you times without number, you're a king in the making, so you have to learn how to handle yourself, especially outside the palace.
It is obvious this one got you, Mother. I'm sorry. I promise you it won't happen again.
Of course, darling, it won't happen again. Because I have gotten a guard that will follow you around wherever you go.
I don't understand. What? You had signed... Come on, Mother, am I a child? Am I a child that someone has to follow me around? Me?
Well, I guess we don't have an option. since you have refused to change. You brought it upon yourself.
All right. I am going to end this madness before you execute it. I would have no fool follow me around all in the name of a bodyguard. If you have assigned anyone to follow me, ask that person to retreat. Else, I will shoot that person right in the chest. I am sure you know what I am capable of.
Chuka, don't tell me you still have the gun.
Well, I never told you or any other person that I have dropped my gun. Especially in this poorly secured country where kidnappers pick their subjects every day. I have my gun. And it's only a fool that will have the money to afford a gun and will not possess one.
What do you think the elders of this kingdom would do if they got to hear that you have a gun? You think they'll give you a loud applause? No. Listen, Chuka, it is my duty as your mother to protect your life and your image.
All right. Go in. Tell your husband that I, Prince Chuka, am going on no vacation. If he wants to set this palace on fire, I will supply the fuel.
Just remember this.
He said that to you. He really said that to you. What is wrong with this brother of yours? Does he know what it took us to haul him out of that pathetic place last night? As if that is the first of it. God! I just wish I was there. I would have given him a good punch on his head. He messes up and he blames it on you.
That is the tragedy I live with every day.
I blame it on you, Chika. You keep tolerating his excesses. It is time you stood up to him and let him understand that you are a better man.
Some Tochukwu, you know I cannot do that. Why would I resort to confrontation? I cannot do that. If I do that, they will say I want to play the role of first son.
Why would you not? Aren't you the first son? Everyone in this land knows that you are the first son. And you all know one an apology if you decide to play your role.
It's as if you've not noticed. I do not want trouble.
Look, it only takes one word. Just one word to end all the silent battles. How long would you shy away from speaking that word?
Some Tochukwu, I do not know what you're talking about. I don't even want to think about it. I am not up for the throne. I've told you this before. Stop making me to repeat myself.
My princess. You're indeed very gorgeous.
I assume we are late already.
Oh yes, we are late. But of course, we are royalties. The commoners can come ahead of time and wait for us, not the other way around.
I do not play the royal card, my dear Prince Obinna. Besides, those people you call commoners have other things doing other than sitting and waiting for the arrival of royalties.
Well, that should not be a bother to you, my princess. Moreover, the commoners are not complaining.
Ha! Do you have to wait up until they start complaining before you do the right things? Besides, our parents are there, and it is rude to keep them waiting.
From my heart, I think you're elegantly made and qualified to keep any kingdom waiting. And not just a kingdom, the whole country. As a matter of fact, our parents will never complain.
We're running late already.
Very well then. Ladies first.
I didn't expect to see you here. What is going on?
Crazy, where are you coming from?
Oh, I went to see Somtochukwu, my friend.
Why do I have this feeling that you are contributing towards this negative lifestyle your brother is living? Why?
Father, I can't believe you're saying this. Why would you blame me for that? Am I responsible for his actions?
Chikereze, you are the first son. Are you not supposed to be providing leadership for your brother? Why are you not doing that?
And I've been leading. I have been leading, Father. Why are you saying this? Is it because I want to see Somtochukwu, my friend? You see, if Somtochukwu is not a decent person, I wouldn't have made him my friend.
Listen, I have not said anything about Somtochukwu, your friend. Neither have I said anything that suggests I see him as a bad person. Somtochukwu is not the issue here. I am talking about your brother. When was the last time you called him to order?
Father, I have been doing that. I know I am the eldest. But I cannot be blamed for another person's recklessness. Father, you talk so glowingly about me being the first son. But you, our father, have you ever played your role as a father?
What? No, how can you say a thing like that? What am I supposed to do that I've not been doing? Do you actually think I will allow you to live this delusional life of yours? That you have no interest in the throne? Chikereze, you are my first son. You are the symbol of my youth. The throne of my fathers is yours. And there is no way you can stay away from it. Why are you always presenting yourself as if you have nothing to do with the throne? What?
Father, why are you hell-bent on me succeeding you? When you have another son who...
And who is that person, please? Who?
Father, please. I am not ready for this discussion. Let me allow you to rest. Please. Please.
Why am I so unlucky? The first son of a king is not interested in the throne of his fathers. Why will this happen to me?
What in the world was that? What the hell was that? What effrontery? What right? Who gave him that right?
Calm down, my princess. Calm down.
Calm down? Do I look like I need one? That man is a pain in my neck. Oh, what kind of human being behaves like that?
My princess, relax.
Why? Of all the men in the world, Father chose that lunatic, that peacock of a man for me. Oh, how does he even expect me to live with such a man for the rest of my life?
You don't have to live with him or even see his face. Just come out clean, my princess.
What do you mean by coming out clean?
You know what I mean. Tell your father the truth.
Okay, you and I know that will be suicidal. Father cannot handle that. But you don't love him. You can barely stand him. He's not right for you. You will suffocate if you end up with him. I'm sorry to say this, my princess, but I don't like him too. I don't like him at all. You have to speak up. If not, they will cement the relationship and you end up living a miserable life. I don't even know where to start from. Start from somewhere, my princess. Possibly by going to the king this night to tell him that you can't spend the rest of your life with a man like Prince Obina. Just start somewhere. Please. I've had enough for today. My princess.
Your Majesty, seems something is bothering you. Ever since I've arrived, you've not said anything. Onyeze, what is that thing that troubles your mind? Tell me about it so we can handle it.
I want to initiate a royal marriage between the prince and the princess of Umweke Kingdom. I have come to the conclusion that such royal marriage will solve the problem that weighs me down now.
Your Majesty, to the best of my knowledge, the princess of Umweke Kingdom is the priestess of Abalaki deity.
Yes, I know. And the prince is a progressive young man. I don't think he will have any problem marrying such a beautiful priestess.
From what I know about her, she's always dressed in white attire.
You have a problem with that?
And there is this maiden that always stands beside her with the sacred mirror of Abalaike. Your Majesty, do you think in this modern world any young man will want to get married to such a woman with strange and complex style of living?
Beneath those complexities you just mentioned lies a beautiful woman that will make a wonderful wife. Don't worry about my son. Eventually when they are married, he will begin to like her.
You just said your son. Which of them are you referring to?
Prince Chike, of course. He is the crown prince of this kingdom, is he not?
Yes, he is my king. But does he know about this?
Listen, I will bring him in at the appropriate time. But now I called you as your no because I want you to take some elders to the palace of Umweke people. Meet with Eze Anukwonwa. Relay my proposal to him. And you give me a feedback. We can pick it up from there.
As it pleases you, my king.
How could he do something like this? Why would he? He said Chike told him that he's not interested in the throne. So why is he forcing him to succeed him? I will not let this happen. It can't happen. Not while I am still alive.
Did he give you any reason why he urgently wants to initiate royal wedding with the people of Umweke?
Apparently, he believes that is the best thing to do for the kingdom. And a way of strengthening the royal bond.
Well, it is not such a bad idea. But which of the princes are we talking about here?
Prince Chike, of course. Who else?
No. That boy is not the right choice to succeed his father. No. He lives a lackadaisical style of life and he cares less about what goes on in this kingdom.
But he's the head prince. He should succeed his father. And that is our custom and tradition
instituted it. Oh no, you know it is a suicide mission for that boy to succeed the king. Eh? He is one of those young men of Igbo land that look down on traditional institutions.
Ichike.
Yes?
But you're not the only one that has the same view about him. But his father believes otherwise. He has sent us on a mission to Umweke, and we must go and deliver. Whatever opinion you hold, hence here. When we get there, you must carry yourself as an emissary of the king.
Well, oh no, you have spoken. What chance have I? But at least I must have made my point known.
Oh, finally she decided to emerge. You know, it's always glorious beholding your beauty.
A gentleman is supposed to be on his feet when a lady walks into a room.
My princess, you see, I am the true definition of royalty. Yes, all those rules are not meant for people like me. I will stand for kings and not subjects.
Get them off the table.
What? Oh, my feet. Forget about those. Come sit. Let's talk about us. My feet are perfectly where they are supposed to.
Really? They're not in my father's palace. Get them off this minute!
Princess, did you just raise your voice at me?
Oh yes, I did. Now let me ask you. Did you part ways with your manners, or you don't just have them at all? How can you come into a palace like this and have your dirty legs on the table? Who does that?
A palace like this. What do you have in this palace that I do not have? By the way, I sat the way I sit everywhere.
Oh, everywhere but not here. This is that palace where I, the princess, defines the code of conduct around here. By the way, what are you doing here? I do not remember us having any appointments.
Well, I do not have to get an appointment to see my bride. You of all people know that.
Obina, why are you here? As you can see, I'm off to somewhere. I need to be going already.
Princess Zara, if you do not like this alliance, I think you should talk to your father instead of venting your anger on me. But then again, you won't, because that man might die of heart attack, and you know why.
Oh, I do know why. I will certainly will not see your face around here again. That is, if it eventually happens.
Not if. Of course it will happen. You see, your father assured my father of that. Zara, you are mine. So I suggest you start getting used to this face. And yes, my attitude, of course. Because you'll be seeing more of it when we get married. By the way, I came here so we could go out to somewhere. But I see your mood is just not good. So I'll let you be. I'll take care of myself. Maybe some other time. By the way, good wine. Try and smile. It looks better on you. Huh? Have a good day, princess.
My princess, the car is ready. My princess, are you okay? Did he say anything to you?
I'm fine. I won't let him ruin my day. Let's go.
Really? Father wants to do that? I think that's a welcome development.
Welcome development, you said? Were you actually listening to what I was saying?
Of course I did listen to what you said.
Including the part that your father wants to get Chike to marry the princess of Umweke Kingdom, which would of course give him an edge to succeed him as the king.
Mother, I heard all you said. What do you want me to do? You want me to walk up to the king? Tell him that I disagree with his plans for his son. Come on, Mother. It's not always about the throne. Moreover, you and I know that Chike is not in tune with our tradition. I believe that is why Father wants him to marry a princess who is also a priestess. I think I like that idea perfectly.
You know, I never realized you were such a big fool. People don't really like Chike because of the kind of politics I've been playing against him. But that doesn't mean he does not stand a better chance to the throne than you. Because you see, first, he is the first son of the king. And then secondly, his union to the Prince of Umweke, who happens to be not just a princess, but a priestess, gives him an edge over you.
Mother, why are you bothering yourself over nothing? Why are you blowing this out of proportion? Are you telling me that you believe that the people of Umwakwalandwi, especially that Onowu, will choose me over my brother?
Chuka, dear son, I am already working on something. I bet you the people would never accept Chike. And soon you will know the kind of mother you have. Well, talking about the Onowu, yes, he can be quite dreadful. But guess what? He's got a prize.
Sincerely, I don't know how to present this. But the truth is that I am indeed very happy.
Your Majesty, does that mean you already know the outcome of our visit to Umweke?
Exactly. Ezanokwonwa already called me. We discussed extensively. He has given his consent. In fact, his daughter has given her approval. That is why I'm excited.
I am surprised that he played us.
How do you mean?
He said nothing to us, but he called you to give his consent. That is not how a man in authority should behave.
If please, I want you to forgive him. The most important thing is that finally he has given his consent. And I wouldn't want us to delay anything now. I want you to set the machinery in motion for the introduction to take place as soon as possible.
Anyway, I don't have any problem with that. But how do we proceed?
Ishionwuka,
Your Majesty.
Right here, right now, I appoint you the chairman of the planning committee. Get in touch with the royal family of Umweke. Let them give you a list of the things that are required for the introduction. We pick it up from there.
At your service, Your Majesty.
Onowu,
Your Majesty.
Please extend my warm regards to Ishieke. Ezanokwonwa already told me how he eloquently presented this matter. In fact, it was his presentation that made the man to give his consent, and I am so excited. In due time, I am going to reward everyone.
Thank you, Your Majesty. I'm happy this worked out.
No, Corin, you just do not understand. That's exactly how I want it. No arguments, nothing. Now listen to me, Corinne. I want the best. This is a royal wedding we're talking about, not some poolside party. Exactly. Now you get my drift. Okay then. Hoping to hear from you soon. These people are always the same.
Good afternoon, Your Majesty.
Oh, we are finally back. Where have you been? I mean, you've been gone for almost 3 weeks now.
You ask as if you care. Anyway, I went on a business trip.
Well, it's a good thing you're back. You got back early enough. The designer will be coming by 4 p.m. today, so just get yourself ready.
Your Majesty, in our quest to start the process, we ran into troubled waters. And that is why it appears as if the speed has reduced.
Ran into troubled waters. Wait, what does that mean?
The princess has insisted on a meeting with the prince. According to her, she cannot just get married to someone whom she doesn't know. So she demands to meet with the prince before taking further step.
And if you ask me, my king, her demand is right. A woman who is preparing to carry the weights of a man most nights, if not all nights, should know the man inside and out.
There is no reason whatsoever for anybody to misunderstand that poor princess. As far as I'm concerned, the prince lives I don't care life. He does not care about what happens in our land. The princess of Agbaleke he intends to marry will surely want to know the kind of a person she wants to spend the rest of her life with.
That is okay. If that is what the princess wants, then she's going to get that.
I don't waste my money on designers. So why should I wait for one by 4 p.m.?
Chike, you are so local. What is wrong with having a designer? Anyway, this one is a special thing. As the groom, you need to dress well. So that is why you need the designer. 4 p.m. is the time.
I don't understand what you're saying. Which wedding are you talking about?
Uh-oh. Don't tell me you don't know about the wedding. Anyway, it's not for me to say. I think you need to have some discussion with your father. Hello?
I'm sorry, Your Majesty, but I'm not happy.
Why?
Prince Chike, the only son of my only blood sister, is getting married to someone as elevated as the priestess of Abaleke of Umweke, and I'm not involved in any way. I'm not happy about that.
I am sorry to interrupt this meeting, but I really need to know what is going on.
Please, can you just excuse us, Chicken? I am going to explain everything to you much later.
Father, no. We are talking here, right now. What is the meaning of this marriage that everybody is talking about? Who approved it? Who? And who are the people involved in it?
That's in council, please. I want to ask for a favor. Can you please excuse us? My son and I will get back to you.
Ndiche, what do you think will happen in there?
Well, this was an obvious fight. I was actually wondering why this secret has not leaked before now. It took longer than I expected.
Well, let us pray that our king does not get a heart attack again.
Chike, I suggest you watch what you say.
Ochiri, try as much as you can to be blind to this. None of us here is. You of all people should know the level to which that nephew of yours can throw tantrums, especially when he's angry.
I want us to be silent. Something is really happening in this royal home, and men that sit in council should understand what is going on.
Father, how could you take such decision without my permission? As if taking your permission will lead anything good?
Really? You took the decision without my permission, and you think you have the right?
Listen, I have absolute right to decide on anything in this family. I am not just the king, I am your father, and I can decide on the good and the benefit of this household.
Then do it right! I want the business cheap, just for 2 weeks. All you have to do is to arrange marriage for me.
Listen, it is for your own good.
Oh, stop saying that. Stop saying it's for my own good. I've never seen a father who would take his son to be slaughtered without giving him a clue.
Now listen, young man, listen. I am your father and I am the king of this kingdom. Like I said originally, this is for your good. Now take it. You are getting married to Princess Adugo of Umeke Kingdom, and this is final.
With due respect, father, I am not going to get married to the princess. I even gathered she's a priestess.
She's a priestess.
I am not going to do that. I will get married when I am ready and to the woman of my choice.
Are you challenging me?
Oh, I am not challenging you, father, but I am trying to make myself clear in a way devoid of ambiguity. Father, stay away from my personal life. Stay away. I've told you this before. I am not interested in your throne. If this is why you went to find a wife for me, you misfired. Because I am not going to do that.
Now listen to me, young man. Listen to me, young man. What I see sitting, you cannot see even if you climb a tree. That throne is yours. Because you are my first son. Is there any other way you want me to explain that?
Father, that is not true. That is not true. You have another son. Let him succeed you. Give it to him. I do not want.
Listen, young man, this is not a choice you have to make. It is something already established even before you were born.
Just like I didn't have a choice when you threw my mother out of your life. I am no longer that little boy used to know. I am now a grown man. I am not going to marry anybody you find.
Michieal, you're conniving with my father to humiliate me, and you still want me to see you as my uncle.
I wasn't aware of all this until today. I'm just as surprised as you are. These elders will bear me witness that I registered my disgust when I heard it.
It's okay. Now I know.
But...
Uncle, please. Just... Anyway, I have to go now.
Nothing is hidden under the sun. Nothing, nothing. Nothing is covered under the sun. Nothing, nothing. All this must be unfair. Nothing is hidden under the sun. Nothing. No matter how you hide it or how you cover it, nothing is hidden under the sun. Nothing.
That was harsh. Did he give you reasons?
What else but to make me eligible for the throne? I mean, why could he do that to me?
Chike, you know he's not just your father, he's a king.
Oh, Santo, please do not give me that. Upon what he did to me, even as I'm trying to forget and forgive how he treated my mother,
he pulls the stunt. You have to stop reading so much meaning into this. This man is only watching out for you.
How? By imposing a woman on me? What kind of a father does that? Huh? What kind of a father does that? No, tell me. He hated my mother, and I hate him too. He has not regretted the demonic treatment he gave to my mother. And my mother would not be happy with me if I did not flog that king into line.
Hey. You're making a very weighty statement here. Let's do less of this politics and discuss the real thing.
I don't understand where you're coming from. What do you mean by real thing?
Zara is the real thing. You love her and you cannot deny that. And as your friend, I know she's the only woman that can make you do what you never wanted to do. That is love. Brace up to the king and tell him about this. Do not square up to the king of Umopalarin because you know he would crush you.
Suntochukwu, watch the kind of words you employ. What do you mean by he will crush me? He will crush me because I told him the truth?
Kings in this part of our world are the gross summation of the truth. Truth is what they hold as truth, and falsehood is what they hold as falsehood. You should know that by now, my friend. He found that princess for you, and you're already in love with another. Humbly tell him about your princess. He would understand.
Now I see your point. But the Princess Zara in question doesn't know my real identity.
Because you have not told her. And you've not told her because the opportunity has not presented itself. That opportunity is here now. Take it before a grade 1 king imposes a woman on you. And trust me, my dear friend, your bravado cannot save you from the power of a king.
I just got off the phone with Igwanya Kora. Your engagement to Prince Obinna is coming up in 2 weeks. And it will be held in their sacred Obi. That place has a long history. It is where all their kings are crowned.
And from the way you sound, it is a wonderful appointment you fixed.
Of course. They would have brought it here, but they decided to engage you in that sacred place of theirs. Well, personally, I like it. I intend to bring the Nigerian Television Authority so as to beam it live on national television.
But the last time you told me about this king, you told me he has some serious health issues and still recuperating. Why are you talking about engagement now?
Yeah, the king is fine. He's hale and hearty. As a matter of fact, he personally called me to notify me of this engagement. And like I said, it is coming up in 2 weeks and you have to prepare your mind.
But father,
Oh, Zara, please. I don't want you to argue this. I am your father and I will not deceive you. I want the best for you. Prince Obinna is the best for you. He will take care of you more than any man would.
The way you talk about this Prince Obinna. Father, excuse me.
No, you need not worry. Relax. I have something important to attend to. Have a nice day.
To what do I owe this unpleasant early morning call?
A very happy morning to you, Morning Star. Am I not blessed to have you as my future queen? You're the most beautiful woman I have ever led my life.
Cut the crap, Obinna. Why have you called?
Well, by the sound of your voice, I think you already heard. I called to say congratulations, my future queen.
For lack of a better way to say it, I am going to say it directly. I will not marry you, Obina.
Youthful exuberance. Yes. My dear, we are married already. 2 weeks from today, you will be forever stuck with me. And then, I will not have to resist myself anymore. I will explore your beautiful body and trust me, my princess, the love that will form in...
Oh well, congratulations.
One of the guards said he instructed that I should not leave without seeing you. I am here.
Chike, when the antelope decides to run strangely, then we must decide to shoot strangely at it. Chike, I gave that instruction because I want to specifically tell you that you must round off with whatever business you have today and be back in this palace before 6 p.m.
Father, why?
I want to believe you are not expecting that innocent woman to get married to a total stranger that she knows nothing about. The princess of Umeke Kingdom is going to be here in this palace today for an interactive meeting with you, and that meeting is scheduled for 6 p.m. today.
Father, the people that fixed that appointment should go ahead with it. They should go ahead and deal with it. It has nothing to do with
Hey, listen. Do not always undermine my benevolence. That meeting is holding in this palace today by 6 p.m. and you must attend. Are you going to state why you were here? Or are you here simply to sit and stare at me?
Do you think he's going to like it?
Are you hoping he does not?
That's not what I'm saying. I really don't know what to say, you know. He's my son.
No, I never said otherwise. He is your son, yes, you are the mother. So I expect you to know that what I am doing here is something that will, something that is good for his future.
I know it will be good for his future, but I actually want the best for him. If this alliance is not going to bring him happiness and peace, then I think we should call it off. You know, that's what you need for a child. What is best?
That is where you go wrong. Every single thing I have done for his happiness and for his future.
But...
Hey, listen. Have you not noticed? An increasing number of our people see him as being nonchalant to all the things that happen in this land. They believe that he has no iota of respect for our traditional institution. What I am doing actually is something that will make him to regain that confidence he has lost in the eyes of our people.
Your Highness, what if he has somebody of his own?
No.
Someone he's in love with?
Listen, in this issue, he has no right to have anybody. I am the one that will tell him what he wants, and that is what I've done. He doesn't just need anybody. He needs somebody that will make the people respect him.
But
Listen, that is why I have found the princess of Umeke Kingdom, who happens to be the priestess of their Abaleke deity. That is the kind of woman he needs, and that is the kind of woman I have found for him.
But
hey, listen, enough of Shikareza, please. Let us talk about Shuka, your own son. Where is he? For almost a week, I have not set eyes on him. I ordered that he proceed on a vacation to recreate himself. And you pleaded with me that we should allow him to stay here. I listened to you. Now he is nowhere to be found. Did he eventually proceed on that vacation without my notice? But I just felt I needed to do this for my son, Shike. You know how nonchalant he has been.
You owe me no apologies, my king. You are his father. I know you are doing whatever you can to keep him focused. But do you think this is what he wants? I mean, his opinion about this would have been better than hanging that girl around his neck.
Listen to me, Oshiri. Part of the reasons I called you. His opinion on this means absolutely nothing. We know the person we are talking about. There is nothing that will ever make him to get ready for this. He will not ever be ready, so somebody has to do it for him. And that is what I did.
You can't be so sure about that, my king.
Oshiri, we are talking about my son. I know him inside out. As I said before, I did this for him. I actually called you here because I want to solicit for your support in this. You are his uncle, and I know there is something you can do. I want to engage your services, and I want to engage your services on your own terms and conditions, so that you will work with me on this, for us to achieve this objective. If you can talk to me, then we are good to go.
So how was the meeting?
It was fine. Very fine. I am still wondering why you chose this place.
That's the only place I think I can ask you what troubles you. Any problem at the office?
I never said there is. Why did you ask?
Why do I have this feeling that you're lying to me?
You see, a man who is a man will always face challenges and difficulties. But to make all those go away, only you, there will never be any other. I love you with every beat of my heart.
And I love you too.
Let's just run away with me.
What did you just say?
Run away with me. Listen. We both know that the communities we came from do not see each other eye to eye. What do you think that our parents will do when they get to know about our relationship?
I can't elope with you. What do you think they would do if they get to find out that we took off? I can't. I love you, yes, but I can't separate you from your father.
Giselle, what do you suggest we do? Watch them push us to another that we do not know? Watch them marry us off to people we do not love? Is that what you want?
Running away is not an option. It's not an option.
Giselle, I love you. And I cannot live without you.
Do not give up on me now. No matter what, I'm here with you. Cause you are the one I love. No matter what, I will never let you go. So baby, take my hands and
Hold it right there and give me the explanation you know I seek. Where are you coming from?
Obina, please. I do not have time for this. Please.
Don't you dare take another step, Sarah. Don't you dare walk out on me. I am still talking. Where are you coming from? I called you severally and you did not take my calls. Neither did you return them. I've been seated here waiting for you.
Waiting for who and for what exactly? Isn't it excruciating enough to be engaged to you at short notice? Yet, you annoy me further by showing your face all the time. Now let me ask you, don't you have better things doing than driving all the way down here all the time? Just let me be.
Jesus! What is going on here? What has become of you? Is this how I trained you? You talk to your husband to be in such a manner?
No, not yet.
Oh, shut up! Shut up! I won't allow you to insult him. Do you know how long he has been glued to that seat waiting for you personally? I expected you to appreciate him and be nice. Your attitude is beginning to infuriate me.
Obina, I apologize on her behalf. She's been a little on an edge lately. That doesn't mean that I appreciate her insulting you. I will talk to her. She will definitely come around.
Well, Your Highness, it's not a problem. I believe she's getting the jitters.
No.
Yes, and I understand. She will come around.
No. I am happy you understand.
I did not hear what you just said, my princess.
He wants us to run away. Who? The one I love. He just wants me to be okay and we're gone. Away from this place. From everyone who doesn't want us to be together. But I can't. I can't, Ogie. I don't know what to do. I can't even tell him that my father has made this an impossible mission. I feel like I have the answer to my questions. Yet, I can't even approach the answers right. In all honesty, I'm confused. And that fool who calls himself Prince Obina isn't making things easy.
You have to ponder more on this, my princess. You have to reflect on this whole thing. There's always a way out. Trust me, I know you can handle this.
what you have employed. Massaging my ego by telling me how intelligent I am will not make me accept what I do not understand.
I sense fear in you. Now listen. If Chike succeeds in getting married to the princess, he would emerge the next king.
But the king is determined to have him as his successor. There is nothing we can do to stop that.
If your daughter Ifunanya marries my son Chukwu, my son will become the king. And you know what that means? I am ready to part with 5 million naira right here, right now, if you ensure that this stunt is carried through.
Well, maybe when I see the money, I will know that someone is serious with a promise.
Carry on with the transaction. Once it's done, munch the transaction receipt and send it to me via WhatsApp. Thank you.
How did you get my bank account?
I am the queen of this kingdom, and I get anything I want. Now you know I am serious. If my son Chukwuka becomes the next king, we all stand to enjoy from it. You would be the father of the queen. What do you think?
The people who created a masquerade will always know it more than the thieves that will steal the mask.
Masquerade? What masquerade are you talking about? And who are the thieves?
That answer is complex and complicated. And I'm sure you are not ready for that.
Start afresh, I don't.
Sometimes you know how much I hate to repeat myself.
I am lost here. I need you to help me out.
Which part did you not understand?
Well, dude, everything. What the hell is wrong with you? Out of everything in the world to say to her, the only thing you could come up with is eloping with you?
Somto, you're not helping me here. You're not helping me at all. You're trying to make me the bad guy here. I tried to tell her, but when I met her with that expression, I couldn't find myself doing anything than to take her away from all these pains, all these troubles. You know how much I love her.
I know, Chike. But you have to tell Zara the truth. And if you want to stand up to your father on this, you have to come out clean.
Somtochko, I didn't hide the truth intentionally. I have my reasons.
Your father is beating you on this. You are losing.
It will never happen. I've never lost before. I am not a loser.
Good. So, how was your date?
Don't ask.
Was it that bad?
She has already built an imaginary castle with me and our future kids.
I like the sound of that. Listen, man. You have to tell Zara the truth. Time is what you don't have on your side now. Truth is that double-edged sword that can cut into any surface. Use that weapon of the truth.
My lord, you tend to be very happy these days.
Of course. I am happy, and I can't be happier than now.
Ah, that's good to hear. I actually can't wait to meet my future daughter-in-law.
Of course, but a meeting with the royal family of Umueke will eventually hold, but not now.
Oh, who is talking about meeting the family? I'm talking about meeting the princess alone. As a matter of fact, I've already invited her for lunch.
You did?
Yes. I've heard so much about her beauty. And I would like to see what she really looks like.
Oh, this is amazing. I'm so glad. Finally, my queen is showing some interest in what concerns Chike.
Oh,
I appreciate her. I appreciate her.
that's okay. I always make an effort, but you know Chike is the one that seems to shy away. I don't know why.
No, don't hold it against him. You know, this young man, I know he has always been hard, but he will eventually come around.
Okay.
I can tell you that.
If you say so, he's your son. You know him much better. Anyway, let me go into the kitchen and prepare a menu for the princess's visitation.
That would be amazing. Thank you. And should I only tell you that you look amazing? Absolutely.
I love to hear that, you know. Thank you.
A beautiful wife of mine.
Why are you not talking?
Oh. You know, you should be appreciating me for all the good things I've been doing for you.
Please, I beg of you to focus on the role my father brought you here to play for him. And do not get involved in my affairs.
Your father didn't invite me here. He didn't bring me to the palace to play a role. He married me. I am the queen. So you learn to be more respectful next time you talk to me.
God knows I've never disrespected you. I just want you to stay off my life.
Is it about the princess that I invited over for lunch? Come on. You are like a son to me. And she, a daughter-in-law to me. So I don't see what is wrong in inviting her over. I would still get to meet her today, tomorrow, next year, whenever it will be. So I don't know why you're worrying yourself.
You and I know that you're not doing this out of love.
Oh,
it is mockery. I've told you before. Stay away from me. Stay away from my life. I do not care what to do with Choka. Even for the throne, I do not care. Why can't you just mind your own business?
Unfortunately, I can't. I have a royal wedding to prepare. As the queen, that happens to be my duty. Oh, I need to pick up my ATM so I can go buy some stuff in preparation for the wedding.
Nothing is hidden under the sun. Nothing, nothing. Nothing is covered under the sun. Nothing, nothing. But this it must be unveiled. Nothing is hidden under the sun. Nothing. No matter how you hide it or how you cover it, nothing is hidden under the sun. Nothing. It will be for a while, then will be unveiled.
Calm down, Chike. Calm down. She's just doing this to get a reaction from you. Calm down and let out a breath.
Cause nothing is hidden under the sun. Nothing. That's your little secret must be unveiled one day. Nothing is hidden under the sun. Nothing. Nothing is hidden under the sun. Nothing.
Hello, Zara.
Hi, please, can you come to Lisa's place?
You're not sounding good.
We need to talk. ASAP.
Okay.
Alright, that's fine.
Hey. You missed me, right? Because I've missed you so much.
We need to talk.
Yeah. Actually, we need to talk. Because I have a lot of questions that need answers. And you're the only one who can give me answers to those questions. Chizaram, right?
I can explain.
Yes, you can. You can. But I would like you to start by telling me who you are.
My name is Chizaram Mbanugo. The princess of Umofo Kingdom. The only child of His Royal Majesty, Eze Egodinogu.
Please,
I am engaged to Prince Obina of Akiyi Kingdom. Excuse me. You are a prince too. That's not true. You are just Chike.
No, I am not just Chike. I am the crown prince of Umobaranri Kingdom. Zara, I'm sorry.
No. You are just lying to me to get back at me. You're not a prince. Your silence confirms it. Meaning, we've been pretty much lying to ourselves.
Zara.
No, please. Don't touch me. Is it true?
What?
About him being the prince. The prince of Umobalari.
Princess Sarah, please advise me on the best way to tell you this so that you don't misunderstand me.
It just occurred to me that you've been friends with him for ages. Why didn't you tell me? Why did you lie to me?
He would have told you. But he's going through a rough part right now. He wanted to tell you, but I stopped him because for a very long time I've not seen him in love as much as he is with you.
You're right.
That would have ruined it. Both kingdoms already have this bad blood. That could also have ruined it.
And now that everything has been ruined, I've come to know his true identity and he's come to know mine. I guess this is the end of the road.
Zara, you cannot leave him now. You are the only one that keeps him sane.
Of what use? Of what use am I to him anymore?
Plead with you, do not give up on me now. No matter what, I'm here with you, 'cause you are the one I love.
Chuka, you should have seen his face. It was priceless. But there was really nothing he could do. After all, whether he likes it or not, I am his mother. Chuka. Chuka!
Mom?
Where did you just travel to?
So, what were you saying?
What was I saying? You're not paying attention, Chuka. Huh? Is this how you're going to act with your people when the time finally comes? You will not give them a listening ear?
Mom, please. Are you doubting my competence?
Then pay attention to details. That is what is required of you.
Pay attention to what exactly? To your gloating? Is that what you want me to pay attention to?
Chuka, I am your mother. You need to be careful how you talk to me. After all, I've been the one fighting to ensure you get to the throne. But you just treat me as if I'm a fool.
I'm sorry, Mother.
No, listen, please. This is a lifetime opportunity for you. You need to seize it. Look, Chike and your father being at loggerheads is to your advantage. This is the time to get close to the king. Let him gain your trust so that eventually you will succeed him as the king. Do you understand what I'm saying? Is it so difficult to get that into your thick skull? Is it?
No, Mother. I understand. I'll pick it up from there.
Santo, please forgive me. I'm very sorry. I wasn't thinking straight. I was very angry and mad. I lost it and I blotted it out. But Santo, she lied to me.
And so you did. Between both of you, no one is a saint. She hurt you as much as you did.
You think I don't know that? Anyway, I don't just know what to do because I don't know what to do about it. She's getting married.
Exactly. To someone she doesn't love. An animal who doesn't even love her at all. That marriage would be a hell for her. So go for what she wants.
Sometimes you talk as if it's so simple. The whole thing is already getting complicated. So much lies, so much heartbreaks, consistent feud. Truthfully, Santo, I'm exhausted.
And you'll still look at me in the face tomorrow and call yourself a winner? Oh, please. Convince me that you came from the lineage of warriors. Prove to me that indeed your father is the king. Go for what you want. And if anything stands in the opposition, do the needful.
I like the way you speak sometimes. The body is willing, but the spirit is weak. Santo, I don't know how to go about it. I don't know what to do.
And where are you coming from? I asked you a question and I expect an answer in return. Where are you coming from and why haven't you been taking my calls?
I can explain, my prince. The car actually broke down and we were trying to...
And remind me, who the hell are you?
My name is Oge, her personal maid.
And that's it. Just a maid. A servant. Obviously a slave. And you dare to intercept the question I asked the princess? How dare you? Let this be the last time you ever try that.
I'm sorry, my prince.
Enough! Why are you here? Why are you always lurking around here? It's past 9 p.m. and you're still here. Why do you show your face here?
Well, it is said that where a man's treasure is, lies his heart. Princess Zara, you are my treasure, and very soon you will be my wife.
Oh, not yet. I suggest you wait up until the engagement happens first. Until then, you and I are poles apart. Hence, I owe you no explanations.
And what are you trying to do, princess? Walk out on me?
I did not invite you. The guard can see you out.
Ah, you are awake.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I had a very rough day yesterday.
I think so. Otherwise, you wouldn't be so wasted. It was very thoughtful of Tochukwu to have brought you to this place instead of the palace. It would have been so disastrous if the king had seen you in that condition. You know that.
Thank you, Uncle. Thank you so much. Sorry for bothering you.
Bother? Chike, this is your house as well as the palace. Your mother grew up right under this same roof. Though there are some renovations, but it is still the same house. You should come around often.
Uncle, I have a lot of things to do.
Spending a night or two wouldn't kill you, would it?
Uncle, I should go now.
No, go where? Go inside, take a shower, dress up, and by the time you're ready, I must have prepared an antidote for your hangover. Go in and dress here.
No, my king. She refused to eat.
Just being proud of that girl. How long does she intend to starve herself? A day, 2 or 3 is understandable. But continuously is madness. What do I do?
I'm in love with you, baby, I can't let go. No, I plead with you, do not give up on me now. No matter what, I'm here with you, 'cause you are the one I love. No matter what, I will never let you go. So baby, take my hands and come with me. I give you all of me, and I will never let you go. So baby, take my hands and come with me. I give you all of me, and I will never let you go. Oh, oh, oh. No matter what tradition says, I'm in love with you. No matter what my father says, I'm in love with you. Oh, why can't I say we are meant to be together for peace?
Exactly. To someone she doesn't love. An animal who doesn't even love her at all. That marriage would be a hell for her. So go for what she wants.
When we are meant to be together,
How will I do that?
I will be a victim, 'cause I'm in love with you. Oh.
My princess. My princess.
Okay, you're here.
My princess, your phone. It's been ringing.
Who is it?
Prince Obinna.
Switch it off. Now.
I brought you juice.
Please just go.
My princess.
Go, please! Go away.
Yes, my princess. But please, please come back. We want you back.
You asked to see me.
Zara, why haven't you been taking my calls?
I have not been taking calls. Not just yours.
For goodness sake, Zara. I am an exception. I am your future husband. So you are supposed to take all my calls. Or better still, return them when you miss them.
Do I always have to remind you that this is that palace where I, Zara, am the princess? If you enjoy giving orders, then you have to go back to that palace where you are the prince and do that. This palace will never be a part of it.
Zara, what is wrong with you? For goodness sakes, why do you like disrespecting me and making me look like a fool? Listen, I called you multiple times because I had an occasion to attend. And therefore you were supposed to be by me as my woman.
I do not answer my calls all the time, mister. You should learn to live with that.
Zara, you are really tasting my patience.
And with due respect, Obinna, you are wasting my time.
And hey, where do you think you're
Let's go, me.
Or what? Now you tell me. You see, I've been thinking of the reason why you've been so aggressive towards me, and I think I know the reason why. Since your father is not around in the palace, I'm thinking, why don't we do it? You want it here? Or you want it there? Which is it?
Go to hell.
How dare you? How dare you? How dare you spit on the crown prince? Do you know what how dare you eat my daughter? What is wrong with you? Your Majesty. Listen to me. Never in your life should you raise a finger on her. The day you do, I will cut off these filthy hands of yours and feed it to my dogs. But your highness, I don't care to know what she did. As a father, I have never hit her, and I will not allow any man to do so. No, especially the man I intend to marry her off to. Leave us alone. Very well, Your Majesty. I will leave. Have a good day.
Father.
Jesus. You will always be that lovely daughter of mine that I hold in high esteem.
I like to hear you say that, Father.
Good. And I can continue to play this dumb game of yours with you. But I've been wondering, for how long?
I don't understand what you're talking about.
I know you have been seeing someone.
You knew?
I know everything, Chizaram. You see, the time has come for you to begin to see Obinna from a different perspective. He likes you. He cares for you. And I believe that with time you will begin to like him.
Father, please. Can I say something?
Say anything else, but not anything that has to do with Obinna.
Your Highness, what exactly is going on? You've been like this for a while now and you're not even talking to me. Can you just open up so I can help?
Is it that you are blind? Or you're just not bothered about what is happening in this palace? Is it?
Your Highness, I will not take responsibility for something I know not about.
Really?
It's not that I've not been observing what's going on here, but I have been busy running around for Chike's royal wedding.
Can you listen to yourself? You have been busy planning royal wedding for someone you have not seen in the last week. What kind of a mother are you? Or are you claiming you don't know that Chike has not come back to this palace in the last week?
Your Highness.
Are you not supposed to have brought that to my notice? That Chike has not been back to this palace as a mother?
Your Highness, forgive me. You're actually right. But please don't fail to understand that Chike is an adult. Yes. I am sure he'll be back soon. Maybe whatever kept him out there would be work-related.
But why is he so reckless?
I don't know.
So immature? What is happening? Look at Chuka, for example. In as much as we all know that he's very excess in all the negative things he's been doing, but at least he keeps us informed of his whereabouts.
Exactly.
In situations just like this.
Exactly.
Why has she become an animal? Why?
No, your Highness, you don't have to call him an animal. He's not an animal. Even though, anyway, please don't work yourself up because we don't want your blood pressure to go up, you know.
Yeah, I am just very bothered because he is my son. And I don't want anything to happen to him.
You're right. He is our son. We don't want anything to happen. But you know what? I promise I am going to track him. And once I get information of his whereabouts, I promise you, I would let you know.
I will appreciate that. Track him down if possible and let me know what you have done, please.
I will, Your Highness. Someone else is now irresponsible and immature. He's even giving his father high blood pressure. At this rate, the king might die from a strange relationship he has with Chike, and that would be the last straw. The elders won't have any other option than crown my Chuka the king of Umobalanri kingdom. This is just so perfect. Everything is working around for my good. This is good. I can see everything turning around for my good.
It seems like he has locked out everyone out of his life.
I find it very difficult to believe he has not called you up till now. Samtoshko, stop lying to me.
Your Majesty, I am not lying to you. I mean, what would I gain lying to you? Prince Chike is just like my brother. I am as worried as much as you are.
I heard he has not been to the office for weeks now. Samtoshko.
Yes, my king.
Okay, then if you say so, let me know immediately you hear from him.
Okay, my king. And please call me if he decides to show up from the land of the dead.
That still boils down to what I told you. He is suspecting that I am here. And he might come down here.
Why are you even here all bottled up, suckling like a toddler? You're supposed to brace up and go take care of the company that has been left under your care. Why are you putting your family through all this trauma? As if they're the one who made your life become this bad.
Sometimes I can't believe this. I can't believe you just speak like someone who doesn't know I'm hurting.
You're not the only one who is hot here. I am the only person who is going to tell you the truth exactly as it is. She's as well hot as you are. Both of you messed up your relationship. What you should do right now is go settle things, sort things out. And why are you not even picking or returning your calls?
She's getting married. Sometimes she's getting married to Prince Obina.
I certainly remember what I said about that marriage. The call is yours to make, Chike. Stand up and fight for what you have.
She is angry with me.
You cannot be sure.
Will she ever forgive me?
You have to try first. You cannot just jump into conclusion. Don't worry. I guess it's something I ordered from the restaurant.
Things don't just happen. People make things happen.
Wait, oh no. Are you trying to tell me that you're the one that has been manipulating Chike and all the negative things happening in the palace? How do you do it?
It is not everything, I must say. Just understand that we are working.
That's good to hear. So how are you dealing with the princess of Umoeke Kingdom?
The marriage would not hold. That is all I can say for now.
Look, talk to me in plain language. I paid heavily for this transaction in question. So I would like to know how you intend to manipulate this engagement thing so that it does not hold.
Your Majesty, trust me, the engagement will not hold. Just sit back, relax, and wait for the breaking news. If it holds, give my name to the swine.
Oh, well, that's good to hear. Not only would I give your name to the swine, I'll cut up your meat and feed the swine. But anyway, you know, Chicken would be so embarrassed. I'm sure he will run away from the palace. Or probably disappear from the face of the earth.
And your son will be the only one.
Are you kidding me?
I, Ogbuefi Onyomelonando,
Yes.
will always remain that boiling water that cooks metal. If they refuse to eat yam, I will give them cocoyam. The most important thing is that they must eat something. Something from me.
Oh, I can't pretend to understand the proverb. But I want to believe it's in line with our plans. Right? Anyway, what about your daughter? When is she coming back?
Oh, today. That is what she told me. And she never disappoints.
Oh, that is good to hear. So when do I get to meet her?
Don't worry, my queen. I will make sure she comes to pay you a visit.
That will be wonderful. I can't wait to see her.
Papa, you look good. Nice to see you again, Papa.
Good to have you back, my daughter.
Yes, Papa, same here. How have you been? I missed you. You know, I'll be all yours for the next 3 months.
Oh, we are? Okay, take your bag inside and come out.
Okay,
I will
Papa.
have a lot to discuss.
All right. Father, I'm here.
Oh, more.
Come on, dear. When will you ever stop?
Refineries are springing up. Brewing better beers than the ones we are used to. If all men stop drinking beer, like you people preach, how will all the brewers survive?
Father, are you serious with this logic of yours? You mean you would drink yourself to death because you want to keep the brewers in business? What does that even mean?
Ifunaya, leave that argument for another day. Someone wants to see you.
Someone I know?
The Queen.
The Queen? The Queen of Umokbalari?
Yes, she asks after you all the time. Why do you seem so surprised?
Who wouldn't be surprised that the almighty Queen of Umokbalari developed sudden interest in her?
Well, maybe you have become a fancy lady.
What does that mean, Father?
make up your mind that you're going to see the Queen. Your Highness, I am so anxious. I don't know if you're sure she will join us.
Calm down, everything will be sorted out.
Okay.
My king, the princess will be here shortly.
Oh. Okay.
There she comes.
Father, you sent for me.
Yes, I did. Zara. Prince Obinna here has come to see you. He has realized his mistakes and is indeed remorseful.
Zara, all your father said is true. Yes. You see, I'm really sorry for the way I acted the other day. I know no amount of excuses will be good enough. Yes, but you see, I am supposed to treat you with love and care, but I'm just human. Yes, sometimes I make mistakes too. So, I don't know. Maybe we started off on the wrong foot. So I want you to forgive me. This is why I have come, because I have realized my mistakes and I want us to start all over again. Yes, because I do not want us to get married bearing this bitterness. It's bad. Yes. So, on that note, I brought this. You see, better again. I don't know. A little token as a sign of my repentant soul. You see, I know you do not like me, but let's start all over again. You will get to love me. Trust me. Let's get to know each other. Get to know me. I promise you, you will like me a whole lot. At least before our big day. Huh? This is why I brought this. Yes. So you get to forgive me. Please do accept my little token.
I forgive you.
Oh yes, she is forgiving me. Oh, thank you very much. Oh, thank you, my princess. Oh yes, I see. I'm so happy. Yeah, my king.
Chiki,
Sarah.
you can't
Zara, I've thought about it real hard, but I know that this is exactly where I need to be with you, Zara.
Hey, you. Don't I know you? Prince Chike from Umwokmalanri Kingdom. Yes, that's who you are. So, what are you doing here? I thought you were supposed to...
Shut up! Zara, I am so stupid and I'm so silly. I've lied to you. Zara, but that's the only way I could put giving our kingdom a history. Zara, I must have lied a lot about many things. But there's one thing I would not and I will never lie to you about. And that is how much I love you. Zara, I love you with every beat of my heart.
You know we can't be together. You know the outcome.
Zara, and I will fight to be with you because my place is in you. Zara, I love you with every beat of my heart, Zara. Please. Zara, I am asking you to give us another chance. Please. Please, Zara. Please, Zara.
Well, that's enough, young man. I think it is time for you to leave. Okay? Darling, back to the car. Let's go.
Oh, honestly, I will never give up without a fight.
I'm sorry, Chike.
Zara. Zara, just one more chance. Just...
Well, young man, you amaze me. Right in front of me. Nice one.
I'll see you soon, bro.
Tell me it is not true, Zara. Tell me that all that Obina narrated here is false. Answer me!
I love him, Father.
Oh, come on! How dare you? I have never raised a finger on you before. Ever since you were a child. But not today. You have crossed the red line. You have pushed me to the wall. What has come over you? I never knew that my daughter will do anything that will subject my hard-earned reputation to ridicule. I never knew that. What is wrong with you?
Father,
don't ever mention that name before me. He's not just from an enemy kingdom. He is their prince.
I am sorry. I'm sorry that I lied. I'm sorry that I did too many things behind you, but you can't stop me from loving him.
Oh, Jesus, you are sick. You have gone mad completely. You are a lunatic. What is wrong with you? I never thought in my entire life that you would do a thing like this.
What is wrong in loving him? He's a nice guy.
A nice guy? A nice guy in Umwabaland cannot be compared to a human being here in Umwafo. You have to wake up, Chisaram. Because whatever you imagined with that guy will never happen. No one has ever gone contrary to the dictates of our tradition, and my daughter is not going to start it.
This is not fair. You can't stop me from being with him because of some feud that has been there for ages. I love Chike.
Listen, enough of this nonsense. You're getting married to Prince Obina, and that is final.
But I don't love...
I said enough! Shut up! Good. Listen, I am locking up my disobedient daughter in her room as a disciplinary measure until she regains her senses. This information is for you alone.
Father, who did you just call? Who did you just call, Father?
There is a limit to everything. This boy has crossed all the limits. If he never wanted to answer his calls, why didn't he at least call?
Why? Your Highness.
This is the very zenith The very height of irresponsibility.
Your Highness, you worry too much.
That is because I am his father.
Father, you worry too much. We've tried calling him severally to no avail. Even Somto Chukwu doesn't even know his whereabouts.
Well, probably Somto Chukwu is not saying the truth. He happens to be Chike's only friend. Talk of the devil.
Chike, where are you coming from?
You ask as if you care.
Hey. You will be mindful how you talk to our father. Have you lost it? Do you know how worried you got us all? Why haven't you been picking your calls?
I do not want to talk to any of you.
You listen. You have to be very careful how you speak before me. Yes, you may argue that I have not been wonderful as a father in discharging my duties, my responsibilities as a father towards you. But that doesn't mean I never loved you. What is coming for you?
Do you really want to know?
Listen to me. I don't want to know what is going through that head of yours. But I must have to remind you that the royal glorious wedding I wanted to organize between you and the princess of Umueke kingdom has been cancelled by the king. And that is because of your stupidity and foolishness. Are you not aware of that?
And how is that supposed to be my headache?
Listen, it is your business. It happened because of your stupidity, because of your foolishness. Now you are going to rise from here and find your way to the palace of Umueke kingdom. When you get there, you are going to apologize to that king and that princess. And you must have to secure their forgiveness. Woe betide you if you come back here when they have not forgiven you and fixed a date for that royal marriage.
Father, I'm sorry to disappoint you because I'm not going anywhere.
I beg your pardon? What did you just say?
I never loved her. I never see her as someone I'm going to spend the rest of my life with. In this time and age, such stand from a man ought to be respected by all.
Now listen to me, Shike. There is a limit to foolishness. Are you telling me you don't know?
There is nothing like foolishness. Whatever princess or priestess from Umueke is not for me. And I don't want us to be talking about this.
Be very careful how you talk to me. Don't provoke me beyond what you did already, because I am going to disown you.
And you think that will be the worst thing you've ever done to me? My mother will be turning in her grave, for you know it yourself that you've continued to kill me slowly.
What? Have you seen it?
Your Highness! Your Highness! Call the doctor. Call the doctor! Your Highness!
Hello? Do you mean we can't see him now?
He's with the doctors. Oh no. What should I do if anything happens to the king? He can't go like this.
Your Majesty, nothing will happen to him. Our king is a fighter. He knows we still need him. And he will fight to be alive.
Ndiche, what am I hearing? My queen. Son, are you okay?
Oh, why are you asking him? Of course he's okay. He is okay because he's the one that caused what is happening.
Is he getting the blame for this? Why can't this only son of my sister be allowed to live in peace in his own father's house?
Do you sometimes listen to yourself? You're actually defending him, right? You are defending this man that puts the king in this position we're talking about. He knew of his father's fragile health situation. Yet he left the palace for 3 good weeks without letting anyone know where he was. No contact, nothing. Rather, when the king tried to find out what the problem was, he answered back at him. As if that wasn't bad enough. His father told him to go and correct the wrong that made Adugo's father call off the royal wedding. Instead of going to apologize to the man, he was answering back as his father, arguing with his father. And of course, that landed in what's going on up there right now. And you're here asking questions. Listen, Ndiche, I don't even know what I would do if anything happens to the king. I wouldn't know how to handle this.
Is that what happened?
Why are you asking him? Do you mean to say the queen is going to lie? Listen, Prince Chike, or what do you call yourself? I have heard of all your stubbornness, especially when it comes to the throne. But I never knew you are going to hurt the king. He is your father. And it is the son's responsibility to make sure his father lives a happy life. But in your own case, the rule is meaningless. Take a very good look at your brother. Even with all his excesses, he does not behave the way you do. He never troubled the king as well. In fact, I am disappointed in you. You are just a complete opposite of him.
Enough of that, Ono. You have made your point. He is a man. He understands what happened.
Ichere, stop defending this boy simply because he's your nephew.
He is equally the prince, our crown prince. Let us not forget that. I'm not saying that what he did is right. But our focus now should be on the king. So let us focus on him. And how is he faring?
Enough. Enough. Enough.
I just want this pain to go away.
Alcohol cannot help you take your pain away. Where did people get this idea from?
Son Tochukwu, he almost died today. And it's out of my carelessness. I keep fighting with him every minute. I never meant to say that to him.
I know.
It was...
I know.
It was because of my stupidity.
I know. Just take things easy. I understand. I understand.
I didn't want to lose him. And the others are very angry with me.
Look. You have to forget those corrupt elders in that cabinet. Concentrate on yourself and reinvent yourself. Now that is what is important. You have to take things easy. This is not you, Chike. This is not you. You're not this alcoholic. Come on. No, Chike. No. How? Hell no. I am not going to allow you to destroy yourself with alcohol. Alcohol will not take away these pains. Rather, it will multiply them.
I just want the pain to go away.
I understand. Take it easy. Take it easy.
Ifunanya.
Your Majesty.
Beautiful girl. You know, the last time I saw you, you were a child. Now you're all grown up. How time flies.
That's true, my queen.
Your Majesty, I am really sorry about the king. I know this isn't the right time to visit, but
It's okay, my daughter. It's okay. Everything happens for a reason. You look beautiful. You actually have your mother's eyes.
Thank you, Ma. You know, I didn't know you would have such sense of humor even in this situation. You know, most people tend to live with a problem, but not you. You're indeed a queen.
Thank you. A queen should be able to rise above a problem. And that's exactly what I'm doing. If I may ask, what year are you in the university?
I'm entering my finals.
Your final year?
Yes, my queen.
Wow. You must be very intelligent.
She took after me, my queen. It will amount to an abomination that a daughter of a man like me is not intelligent.
I remember in secondary school you used to come last. Anyway, that's beside the point. Oh, do feel at home, my dear. I need you to do me a favor. Could you prepare something for me to eat?
Come on, my queen. That would be my pleasure. Where's the kitchen?
You just hold and I'll call someone to take you.
Okay.
Gloria! Yes, my queen. Oh, you called me. Yes, please take her to the kitchen. Yes. Oh, I did. Pretty girl. You did a great job.
When men like me decide on anything, they go all out to achieve it. I knew her from birth that she will be a sensation. She never disappoints me at all.
Chuka, in all honesty, I don't know why your mother should do that.
All right. I'll tell you. It is a practice in the Catholic Church. It is called extreme unction, the last sacrament. You see, a priest is invited to administer this last sacrament on any member who is going to die.
Are you serious? Are you serious? Is that what you believe with your mother? That my father will die from this?
That's not a kind word to use. My mother would not want her husband to die. As you can see, my mother is trying her best, as a concerned member of this family should.
Oh, please, Chuka, please don't just give me that. Do not give me that. Our father was baptized in the Catholic Church, but he has never been there. At least in our adult lives. He has never been there. Not for once. So why insult him with this?
You were there. You watched the priest drive off. Why didn't you ask him all this? Why me? Why do you vent your anger and frustration on me? I did not invite him.
You see, I feel it in my spirit that there is a game your mother is playing. You see, I don't know exactly what it is, but I feel it in my spirit. It's possible that she might have briefed you. Go and tell her that my father will not die.
I will not have you insult my mother. What game are you talking about?
Oh. Last sacrament? Last poison? Whatever your mother must have done. My father, the revered king of Umoparanri Kingdom, will not die of that sickness. He is going to bounce back. Do you understand? And he will make things right.
This is preposterous, Oboefi. How can you even think of something like that? You are supposed to be standing on the side of the truth.
And that is exactly what I am doing. If not, I wouldn't have called for this meeting. The kingly status does not befit Chike. We are talking of a young man who lacks diplomatic and judgmental acumen. A young man who stood before his father and told him to his face that he is not interested in royalty. Such a reckless character may finally be forgiven and become a king in all other kingdoms. Not when I still remain the Onowu in Umopalari.
No matter what happens, it is not our decision to make. The king is here to recover.
Exactly. Exactly. Is it not even an abomination for us to sit down here and open discussion on the succession of a king who is still alive?
I wonder. The man who sits before a diviner to ask questions about life must equally ask questions about death.
for death remains the end of life. Will you claim you don't know what that means?
Sincerely, I don't have time for your proverbs. The king sees him as the crown prince, and we cannot decide otherwise simply because the man is down.
Yes. That the king is making a mistake does not mean we the elders should make the same mistake. Why forcing someone who clearly states his mind that is not interested in royalty? He will be a useless king.
You can't reach that conclusion, Obuefi, for his father is still alive. He may be carefree as most people allege because the responsibility is not yet on his shoulders. We can even argue that he is suffering from useful exuberance. We cannot deny him of his right because of that. He can still change.
Ichiochiri, I understand your concern, but I suggest you put aside the relationship with the prince. See it from a view devoid of sentiment. We cannot continue to allow the prince unleashing havoc here and there. He never wanted the throne, good and fine. But we will help him deburden by giving it to someone who is worthy and responsible to carry it. That is his punishment for putting the king in this condition.
I am of the opinion that this meeting is not necessary. The king will eventually recover. Let him be the one to decide the punishment. We cannot do that for him.
Yes.
Well, I can see clearly that most of us woke up from the wrong side of the bed today. I will reconvene this meeting.
Nothing is hidden under the sun. Nothing. No matter how you hide it or how you cover it, nothing is hidden under the sun. Nothing. It will be for a while, then we'll be unveiled. Nothing is hidden under the sun. Nothing. There is a mandate for every secret, 'cause nothing is hidden under the sun. Nothing. That's your little secret must be unveiled one day. Nothing is hidden under the sun. Nothing. Nothing is hidden under the sun. Nothing. Nothing. Nothing is covered.